Today we are going to discuss about topic name is digestive glands. The previous topics we learned histology of alimentary canals. So the histology of alimentary canal is made up of the wall of alimentary canal 4 layers. That means first one is serosa, muscularis, submucosa and mucosa. And as usually, so these alimentary canals consist of the digestive glands. So the digestive glands are present in wall of the alimentary canal. So they are gastric glands and intestinal glands. So the gastric glands are in the presence of stomach, and Brenner's glands and crypts of lubricant present in the small intestine. So these two are belongs to the small intestinal, that means intestinal glands. So the gastric glands secretes gastric juice, and intestinal glands releases intestinal juice. So these two are the digestive glands. And coming to the associated glands. So what are the associated glands? That means the salivary glands and liver, pancreas is the alimentary canal which are associated with the glands. That means the extra alimentary associated glands. So these associated glands are belongs to salivary glands, liver and pancreas, like etc. So major we discussed today topic is salivary glands. So the salivary glands are majorly in human beings. 3 pairs of salivary glands is presented here. Okay, so what are they? So first means the first salivary gland, his name is parotid glands. Parotid glands. Parotid glands. And second one is submandibulary or submaxillary. Submaxillary gland. Submaxillary or submandibular. Submandibular gland. And third one is sublingual gland. Sublingual gland. So these three are in human beings present, the 3 pairs of salivary glands, and other mammals like rabbits have 4 pairs of salivary glands is located. So the salivary glands are present in the oral cavity or buccal cavity. So the parotid glands is located on the surface of the pinna. So that means it is located on the pinna. So the pinna is located at the parotid gland, and submaxillary or submandibulary in the location of lower jaw, which is present in the lower jaw. So lower jaw ikkada untundi. And coming to sublingual glands. So sublingual gland is located below the tongue. So below the tongue. So నాలుగు కింది భాగంలో కలిగి ఉంటుంది అనమాట. కాబట్టి హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్లో చూసేటప్పుడు 3 pairs అనేవి కనిపిస్తాయి. సో లైక్ ఒకవేళ మనం మౌత్ కనుక చూసుకుంటే, సో మౌత్లో పిన్నా దగ్గర, అంటే ఇయర్ పిన్నా దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి రీజన్లో మనకి పెరోటిడ్ గ్లాండ్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది. పీజీ అంటాము, పెరోటిడ్ గ్లాండ్. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు చీక్ దగ్గర, అంటే లోవర్ జా, అంటే కింద దవడ ప్రాంతంలో కూడా ఇక్కడ మనకి సబ్ మ్యాక్సిలరీ గ్లాండ్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. అండ్ టంగ్, బిలో ద టంగ్, సో టంగ్ కింద కూడా గ్లాండ్స్ ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. వీటిని మనం సబ్ లింగ్వల్ గ్లాండ్స్ అని చెప్పవచ్చు. సో దీస్ 3 pairs ఆఫ్ salivary glands is located in the mouth. So what are their roles? That means the salivary gland secretes ptyalin. So that means ptyalin. So ptyalin secretes, which the ptyalin secretes. The ptyalin is located in the mouth. The salivary glands secretes the 2 types of cells. That means mucus cells, and second one is serous cells. So the mucus cells secretes mucus, which secretions of mucus, and serous cells secretes salivary amylase. What is this? The salivary amylase secretes from the serous cells. So these two secretions are called salivary juice. Now we are called salivary juice. Salivary juice. So the salivary juice is present. What are these contains means? So 99.5% of water. So water is 99% water and 0.5% is electrolytes. That means electrolytes and mucin enzyme, and also salts also, and coming to lysozyme enzyme. So these enzyme kills the bacteria. What is role? Kills the bacteria. So this is bacterial digestive enzyme. So kills the bacteria. So value is 6.8. So that means the slightly acidic nature.